Okay, so far what we've been doing, we have been using something similar to the remainder theorem, but we have been using the fact that we know for a factor that f of x equals 0. Okay, this can be used, and this actually gives us our remainder. We should know that from our synthetic division and having to write as the remainder is 0 that it's a factor. We can use this as a way of calculating remainders from polynomials. Okay, so we can be asked just to determine what the remainder of something is, and there are a few different ways to do it, depends what they ask. So if you get asked to find the remainder, okay, when f of x is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 2 is divided by x minus 1. Okay, if we do the f of x of the number that is going to give us 0 with that division, that gives us our factor. Okay, so if we look at it, this means that the remainder will be, when we have f of 1, we will get our remainder because that's our function. So we have 1 cubed plus 2 times 1 squared minus 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So we're going to get 4. So therefore, the remainder is 4. Okay, honestly, remainder theorem is as simple as that. There is one other thing they can ask you to do, which is also to find the quotient. Okay, so determine the quotient and remainder when, okay, so we're going to have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x squared even minus x plus 5 is divided by x plus 2. Okay, here it's just doing one set of synthetic division, and this synthetic division will give you the quotient and the remainder. So we have our x cubed, our x squared, our x, and our c. So we've got 1, 3, minus 1, and 5. And it's minus 2 here, so we bring that down, we get 1. Times those together, we get minus 2. Then when we add, 3 add minus 2 is 1. Times that by minus 2, get minus 2. Add those together, we get minus 3. Times those two together, we get 6, giving us 11. So therefore, the remainder is 11, and the quotient is this bit here. What we would normally find here when we factorize is what we kind of get left with. So the quotient is in fact x squared plus x minus 3. So the quotient is what you get left with, the whole part of it, and then you've got your remainder 11. And that is it for the remainder theorem. I hope you're liking the fact that these videos at the minute are quite short. Okay, so going on to kind of how this works with graphs for our next video.